Today we are listening to a small part from Under the Bridge by Red Hot Chili Peppers. Check this out. This is at about a minute 15 seconds in. Coming up. Here we go. Ooh, that's so nice. So, a couple things to focus on with your hi-hat. First of all, just notice the dynamic range that he's got going on, right? He's playing some stuff a little more accented, some stuff really, really light. On the hi-hat, he's doing some opens, some closes, but it's all just like there's a ton of finesse going on. Okay, so focus on that. He's not banging the stick into the side of the hat. He's more on top of the hat and playing really nice and chill, and there's finesse going on. So you also need to be able to play a nice double at a really low stick height. And to do that, you're going to need your fingers, right? So check out the hand technique video, work on that. And then on the cross stick, notice that, again, dynamic range. He's playing like a ghost note on one of those cross sticks, right? So it's not all the same volume level, and pay attention to that. Really work this out and make sure that you're playing slow enough to get the control, and then you can get it up to the speed that it is in the recording. But the biggest thing here is just paying attention to those dynamics and taking the time to get control built up, and then you can make it sound good. Might not make it sound as good as Chad Smith does, right? And my example doesn't sound as good as Chad Smith. There's just so much groove there. But this is the kind of stuff that if you work on will set you apart as a drummer. So thanks for checking it out, and happy drumming. Have a great week.